Hey, this is Christopher, Senior Product Director here at Nil Building Solutions. Today I'm super excited to show you exactly why base shoe glass railing applications are leaking all over the country, causing massive amounts of water damage. So here is a demo assembly of a glass railing installation, which looks really good from the outside. We have the base shoe. We have the shims for the water to drain underneath. We have this base shoe fastened into the structure with lag fasteners and then sealants to seal it up. But what looks good from the outside is not necessarily what's good on the inside. Let's take a look at some real life situations of what's going on underneath the structure from this method of practice. Okay, here we go. So as you can see on the wall behind me, these are glass railing projects that have massive water damage. Massive water damage that nobody knew about until it completely seeped in and destroyed the entire structure. Over here you can see exactly what I'm talking about on the table. This is the base shoe, and here is the structure. See the black strip with the membrane? You can see the penetration holes in the membrane, which is why this water damage has occurred on all of these projects. And I'm gonna show you right now by taking this typical glass railing application apart to show you exactly why it leads to what you just saw on the wall. All right, so here we go. I'm taking this apart. I'm taking apart the fasteners. These are the fasteners that penetrate the membrane, causing that penetration hole. Here we go. All right, the base shoe comes off. Now we have the shims. The shims are used to elevate the base shoe because the water is supposed to drain underneath the base shoe. But what happens now is as the water is draining under the base shoe, it's collecting into these penetration holes. Here is the shims coming apart. Look, and there's the caulk and sealant. The caulk and sealant, it's even falling apart right now. Here's the caulk and sealant that's supposed to be protecting your glass railing, right? Sealants and caulks are not meant for long-term use. Over time, they all deteriorate, they shrink, they crack. And what happens is when they shrink and when they crack and when they deteriorate, which they will, the water seeps in and gets into these penetration holes, which causes the problem. The problem results in what you saw on the screen, and that is the problem. What I want to get into next is Nil Building Solutions' solution to that problem so you never have to face water damage on your project again.